Hey guys, this is Brian from Raider FPV. Thanks for joining in. Got my boys with me here. This is Travis. Travis, say hi. Hi. This is Austin. Austin, say hi.
Hi.
Hey guys, so check it out. Check it out. Let's get that up in there. This is an iFlight XL5.5 inch lowrider V3 from Jason over at Jason Fireblade FPV. Jason, thank you so much, buddy, man. I cannot thank you enough. Look at, he even included all this bling from, this is from Albie Soaring, Albert over there. This is, I got the TPU bumper guards, the GoPro mount, the SMA adapter. He even threw that in after the fact. So what he did is he did a YouTube video giveaway like 2 weeks ago or so, and I won this frame. And been a huge fan of Jason for the past couple years. He kind of got me into FPV. I started out with a Hubsan H501S. Saw him do a few trick videos. He was doing flips and rolls with it. And about a week later, that's when I picked up my first quad. This is a Walkera F215, the Furious F215. This came out I don't know, it probably came out 3 years ago, but I picked it up a couple years ago. Started flying this on 4S. I flew in Horizon mode at first and all that. And Jason really helped me out along the way. I asked him a lot of questions and all this and that. And he too, as a dad, spends a lot of time with his son. They go out flying and stuff. And is a super cool dude. I'm gonna link him down in the description, put a little pinned comment, and also put a, oh yeah? Really? Seriously? And then we'll put a link to Albie Soaring as well. Jason, can't thank you enough, dude. Thanks to you. I'm going to be starting my first build, so I'm going to put a Mamba stack in here, I think. And I'm going to try out those new iFlight economy motors. Man, I'm really stoked to try those out. So Jason, you kind of got me into FPV, and it's very, very fitting that I'm kind of doing my first build, thanks to you, man. So I really dig the frame, really appreciate it, buddy. Thank you so much. You guys, you need to check him out, dude. He's a great guy, just a stellar dude to have in your FPV corner. But hey, thanks for hanging out with me and my family here. And thank you, Jason, man. You rock, bro. I mean, and thanks for all your help with my flight controller swap I did in my Marmot. And this guy's just so helpful and such a top-notch guy. All right, guys, thank you so much. This will be on the channel a lot, man. Definitely, I'm going to bash the heck out of this quad. Yeah. Can you say bye? Can you say bye-bye to the camera, guys? Bye-bye. Bye.